I'm so glad we're able to do this again after
Yeah.
like 2 years, right? 1 year,
Yes.
10 months, I think. Last we were camping was in January,
Yeah, I remember.
right here, right
Couple
at
of
this
years
spot.
back, we celebrated my birthday in the tent itself. And today we are here again,
Oh,
setting up the tent.
yeah. Oh, we had come back from Kasar and
Yes,
we were
yes.
staying in the tent on your birthday night. Like, yeah. Wow, I think that was the day I realized that, man, I love this boy. And I'm gone for real. Like, there's no turning back.
Gone for
That
real.
was the day. When you get like this fear and this thing that अब क्या होगा? Shit, ये तो
What's next?
वाट लग गई. That way. That was the day when we came back from Kasar and we were here and there was no one at the property.
Yes, yes. So just us and this beautiful jungle, Mother Nature. And I'm so glad that we both resonate with nature so much.
So much. I
Right.
mean, yesterday when we were walking here, something changed in me. Something shifted in me. I don't know what. I was still like not feeling well with my throat and all, but it shifted so much that I was just that walk. I was like, I'm
Yeah.
home.
Yeah, that walk is magical indeed.
And nature does that to us anyway. You know how happy I get. You know the crazy things I've done with nature. Like when we were driving down before we started dating,
Yeah.
you were sitting right next to me, and I saw that deer, which was very close, and I started crying. Oh my God, there's a deer so close to
That
me.
was in Wayanad.
Yeah, happy tears.
That's true.
Is this the top? This is the top,
That's
right?
what I'm trying to figure it out.
Hey, do you even remember how to set this up?
No.
Because last 2 times you set it up. I wasn't here.
So this will.
See, now I have to do wife duties and set this up. When I was girlfriend, I was just like visiting, and
It was ready for you.
I already had the tent in there already.
So this is the front, right? This is the front.
What is this then?
This will be like the cover on this.
On top.
Yeah.
What is the
So
base then?
this.
That thing. Okay. So should I remove this for
Yeah,
now?
for now we can keep it aside.
Okay. So this spot right here has like a lot of our memories.
A
I
lot.
would love to hear from you, like what's changed and how does it feel to be right here again.
The one thing that changed is now we are married. That time we were figuring it out.
No,
And
I'm talking about like even before, not the 10 days.
yeah.
The first time we had our first retreat, and
Oh.
after the retreat, when we were just like friends.
Yeah, yeah.
And it had been just 1 month of knowing each other, friends and business partner. Yeah.
A lot has changed. I'll tell you first. Let us figure out the first step.
Oh, yeah, this is the bottom. This plastic, this thing, right?
I am hoping.
Yeah.
So let's lay it down first
Yeah.
and then understand. This will be.
Yeah, makes sense. But is this inside?
That's what I'm trying to understand.
Does this not come with a user manual?
It does.
Wow.
So the first step is this. Second is we lay out this,
That's what we're doing. Yeah.
and then we have to put rods inside it. Then it will become like
So
a
let's
tent.
do this. Yeah. You know how to put the rods inside in this?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll keep this here. Yeah.
Which side is the zipper?
This side. So this will go like this, and this will become our entry.
That will become our entry, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does this get hooked to
Yes.
something? Like
Yes, we
with
have
a
hooks.
tie?
Yes.
Okay, do you want to do that first? So the first time you set up the tent, do you remember I was actually asking you, hey, would it be all right if I stay in the tent with you? Like I was so scared of you. I was so scared where you'd turn out to be one of those cool boys you meet on dating apps where they're like, you know what, I want my space. I would, we can hang out, but I want my space. Like, could you imagine? I used to think that way about you.
Those were the days. We had our own fears and
Both
innovations
of
with each
us.
other.
Yeah, both of us had those fears.
I'm trying to understand, where do we put the rods in?
I think here.
Huh? Where does
See,
these
this
go?
also hooks to something. I think the rod goes here. There is a pocket here, and then this gets
Where?
connected.
Show.
There are pockets here, no? There are these black.
Yeah, these.
Yeah.
And then it goes with this.
Do we have to do this simultaneously? That it.
I have no idea. We have to figure it out. Yes.
Will this go diagonally?
Yes.
You have done this twice before.
I had people helping me.
Who are tent pros?
Can say that.
I think we need to first hook those in.
Yeah.
Let's do that. Let's do step by step, babe. Why are you
Yeah.
jumping ahead?
Do you wanna hook
Yeah.
one of them? You might need a stone.
Hammer.
Stone. We are in the nature.
It went in.
Great.
But is it spread out enough? You that one, the last one, you'll have to pull towards yourself.
This?
No, otherwise it'll be loose. No, these two are. Huh. Oh. This one also I can pull out a little bit.
Yeah, this is.
Yeah, that one you'll have to pull out a little bit. Or
This is
this one.
pulled out.
Or this one.
Yeah, that one.
Wow, we have smoke effect in our video now.
Is that good or bad?
I'm kidding. It's bad only.
This will be gone in a few minutes.
But so yeah, I was saying that. So the first time you set up the tent, the first ever time, you were actually sleeping in the tent, and I was visiting
Yeah, I remember
very early in the morning.
that.
5,
That was the
5:30.
only night I spent in the tent without you.
Alone. Yeah,
And I was shit scared.
I'm sure.
We'll come back to that story.
We'll come back to the scared stories because you are a baby when it comes to being alone in nature and in. Now we got to pull the middle one.
Okay, what we can do is, I guess, we can take the rod from these pockets.
Yeah, and then we'll have to punch them down into the ground also, I think.
No,
No?
no. But take this from the pocket, this pocket,
Oh, okay, not the hook.
not
Why?
the
What
hook.
will that do? The hook is also pretty stable. See, it's not coming out.
But let's take it from
The pocket itself.
the pocket. Let's see.
Okay. Yeah.
Can we use the hook now? Or
Where
it's
to?
not usable? No, then we have to use the hook.
That's what I was saying. The hook is pretty sturdy.
Yeah.
We just got to do it simultaneously.
Yes. So use it.
No, it's diagonally, I think.
I'm going here now.
Yeah. So that, yeah, the first time then when I came to visit you after we had started dating, I reached around 5:36 in the morning.
Yeah.
You were still asleep.
Yeah.
And I came to the tent to like say hi. Right?
Yeah.
Something like that. I can't remember after. And I came and slept in the tent only while you went about your day.
And I was so happy because I was so scared.
Wow. So you were happy not because of seeing me, but you're like, okay, now I'm not alone
There
in the
could be
tent.
multiple reasons, right? To be happy.
Now I'm not alone in the tent.
Yeah.
Now the leopard won't eat me.
Alone.
Alone.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Something.
Yes.
Now we got to do the same the other
Yes.
side.
Take the second rod now. Help me
Okay.
with that.
Yeah, but I was really, really afraid of you, to be honest, in the beginning.
What?
Hey, why? I used to think you're like the cool guy.
I am the cool guy.
No, but you're like very mushy also, no? You were more lovey-dovey than I was.
I still am.
You still are, yeah. I thought I was romantic. My God, this boy fell in love and fell in love hard.
बहुत hard, बहुत hard.
Both hard. But you got to talk about how it started though.
We'll
Then
talk about it after the smoke.
after the smoke.
Yeah. No?
No, we can actually. It doesn't matter. The smoke will last forever. It looks like with how
Forever.
much. See how much of things they're burning.
So we can sit in the tent and also speak about it.
Yeah. Wait, there's a hook here.
This has to go inside this.
Okay. Oh, nice. Hey, it's a big
Right?
enough tent, yeah.
It is.
Yeah. Now what do we do?
Uh,
Okay, makes sense. Now do we put the cover on top of this?
yes.
Is this? Oh, so it becomes double doored.
Yes.
Or
So
do you want
this
to
will
set up the?
protect us with the rain, the moisture, the wetness.
Do we want to set up the blanket, the
हाँ,
carpets
that
first?
will do ना. पहले ये डाल देते हैं.
Okay.
We have to check where is the entry and exit point.
This. This.
Yeah.
Nice. This was not bad. Thanks,
Easy peasy,
Decathlon. Yeah. It's not very difficult.
That's true.
I thought it'll be like a lot of like rods you have to put together and it takes like hours.
No man.
This one's like a easy peasy camper tent. Now these also get hooked, no?
We'll see to it.
Yeah. That's why we have extra hooks in the ground. For the
Yeah,
ground.
that we'll do it with this. With the blue one and the
Oh,
blue
yeah.
hook, yes.
Okay. Got it. Makes sense. Yeah, ready. Ready. We have a place to stay for the next 4 or 5 days.
Yeah. Now if it is too windy, then you tie this.
What are these?
These are like you can tie this along with this.
Oh, yeah, so it
If it is
doesn't.
too windy, you protect
It's not windy
yours.
these days, right? Yeah. And do you want to sit down and talk?
Yeah, that will be much better.
Do you want to get the blankets or do you want them to have some more sun?
I guess enough of sun. They were already out in the open.
Okay, let me get that one.
How do I remove this one?
ये तो pause कर दो ना. ये तो anyway we're.
This gives a good angle. एक साइड कर ले इसे.
I'm going left. Wait.
चलिए मैं करता हूँ. मैं करता हूँ.
Ah, you're not wearing shoes, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, you get in and then push it on the side. It's so cozy. I'm so excited. We have so many memories of hot chocolate. I think I remember, I remember your birthday. We were here and one of my cousins called and I was talking to her and we were drinking hot chocolate. Something like that, right? And we would have the tiny lamp, obviously, because we don't have electricity here in the tent. We'd have a tiny lamp and music, really good music. We would read to each other, talk, and all of that. That was good. The good days. And then in January, when we were here, it was freezing cold. My God.
Yeah, looks good. Come sit.
Yay, back home. So, I think since we met, since we started dating or before that, you've been saying, I've been asking you, what do you want to do for your birthday? What do you want to do for your birthday?
This year.
No, for
Okay.
every birthday. Like in 2023, your birthday, we were together. 2024, we weren't because it was Diwali. And now we are, right? So, what was I saying? So 2023, I had asked you what would be a great birthday. And you're like, yeah, just go in the middle of the jungle and put a camp up, put a tent up and just camp
Here we
there.
are.
And we're doing this.
Here we are, manifestations.
Yeah.
Crazy
And
manifestations. And I'm so happy to be back with you here at this same magical place. Because this has got like some, I'll not say just memories.
Crazy memories.
Some amazing and crazy memories, but this place, this setup gave us a chance to know each other very deeply.
A lot.
Right? I guess when people say that you should travel together to know that this is the right partner, I guess we lived that. We
We did
lived the
that.
face of it.
Thanks
Saying,
to our work.
thanks
we
to our
got to do
work,
that.
that too at such a place where it is more about a community living, not just you and I spending crazily amount of time together, but we'll still uh, sneak out our time, our moments together, be in the tent, walk, read, as you said, drink hot chocolates, have some great deep conversations, ask each other questions, at the same time socialize with others, then find moments to like come back to each other.
Yeah.
I guess that was very pure and magical, and that gave us a chance to like genuinely know each other.
Without the facades that come with a city. You know,
Yeah,
in the
no
city
show
you
off.
can be in the city you can be whoever you want to be, with the money and the comfort and the
Brands and luxuries
yeah.
and everything.
I remember right now when I was taking a shower, I was thinking what you had said 2 years ago when I asked you, you know, what do you like about me? You said that, you know, I used to think you'd be very bougie and you'd want like a fancy shower, fancy place to live and this and that. And you adjust anywhere. You can sleep in the tent, you can shower in the communal bathrooms, you can be anywhere and you're so happy there. And that's what you loved about me. I think you said that, your
No,
words.
totally. I can always go back and vouch for it. Because for me, I have been staying in a place which is very raw, which is very pure, which is like in the middle of nowhere. If you will see around, this is a place which is nowhere. This is just next to the jungle where at night leopards come. You want to tell them the story? Another reason why I fell for her, because how protective she can be.
How nonchalant I can be about nature. So I have, since childhood, I've been really, really interested in nature and wildlife and all of that. So somewhere in my head, I feel like I am jungle ka bacha. I'm like Mowgli or whatever.
Mowgli.
That might not be true in real life, but I'm very, very comfortable in nature. So this one night, it's around midnight, we're talking. We're in our sleeping bags or whatever. We're like sleeping and talking. And suddenly, the entire jungle all around us, this mountain, the mountain ahead of us, like in front of us,
At around 2 a.m.
at around post midnight,
Yeah.
all the birds and animals of the jungle start screeching, howling, screaming, everything. And that's when we realize, like 5 minutes later, we look at each other and we're like,
This voice is
there's
coming
a
closer to us.
no, there's a big cat on the prowl. Otherwise, why would the jungle screech like that
Yeah.
last like at such a point of night?
Yeah.
And then there was this one voice, which was so unique and we had never heard before. It was like a mix of a dog crying and a lady screaming, if you mix those
Yeah.
two things. And first we could hear it off in the distance, like somewhere there in that mountain. And slowly it kept like within like 15-20 minutes, we could hear it here, right here.
And then the rustling of the leaves around us.
No,
And
but before that, the only fear that I had was, what is this noise? I've never heard this before. So the unknown.
that's the only fear. I had ample of fears. Could be leopard. How will we like find an escape for ourselves? How do we protect? Whom should I call? Whom should I? How high should I shout? Will people come or not? And she was very nonchalantly, if it is a leopard, I'll take care of it. I am just worried about this unknown noise. And I was looking at her. If it is a leopard, you can take care of it. I'm like, I am carrying a Swiss knife, but why are you being a Swiss knife in yourself?
I'm like, hey, I'm from the cat family. It's okay. I can take care of leopards.
Meow.
Meow. But not this noise. And then after like a good half an hour is when I was like, maybe, just maybe this is a barking deer.
No, we got to realize it after later when we went to Jim Corbett.
No, I told you, I guessed it, that one of the noises this was could be a barking deer. And then we Googled it the next morning.
Yeah.
And then we got to see a barking deer
When we were in Jim
when
Corbett.
we were in Jim Corbett Safari. I think the barking deer was on the night being chased
By the leopard.
because after the noise went away, we could hear rustling all around our tent, like as if something is walking around us, because there was a lot of dry leaves back then. And this guy was really scared. And I was like, it's okay, I got you.
Yeah.
And that for a while, he kept telling people that story. Listen, I got to marry her because she'll take care of me in the middle of the jungle.
Absolutely, man. I want to be in the nature. At the same time, I want someone to protect my back, my front as well, and my neck, because leopards generally attack on the neck.
I
But
spent 15 minutes imagining last night how to protect my neck when we go out.
to use the restroom at
Yeah.
around 4 in the morning. But I'm so happy, yaar. We get to be this wild, live this wild
And
life,
come back here.
come back here. I'll tell you one more thing. When 2024 was about to set, the New Year's night, I was sitting exactly in this tent, and then there was this friend who does card, as in tarot reading and everything, and she is also sitting next to me.
31st December 2023.
Yeah, at around midnight, everyone is partying out there and everything.
And the three of us are cooped up in the tent doing spiritual card readings for each other.
And in front of her, I asked this friend of ours, I want to marry this person, and how do you, what are the cards saying? And she's sitting there right
and,
next to
and
me.
I look at him and I'm like, we've never talked about this. What? You're asking a third person suddenly that I want to marry her. How do we go about this? And I'm like, did you check with me? Did you check with me? You want to marry me? What is
That
this your
was my
proposal?
indirect proposal, yeah. Without being on the knees, but being on my butts, sitting
It was
down.
so funny. It was so funny, and I was so taken aback. Like, I was not in a bad way, but I was so shocked.
And within next 20, 30 days, I guess.
No.
Yeah,
No,
yeah,
let
after
me
that
tell you.
only.
Let me tell you. This guy. This is 31st December 2023. I don't know what chul he had, and this is just
Clarity. I'll say clarity.
No. I'll call it chul also
I'll say
because
clarity.
this was only 2 months into our dating when he's like, "Okay, I want to marry this person. Tell me what the cards are saying, right?" And I'm like, first of all, like I just told you, I was scared of this guy. That what if the cool guy, he doesn't want to like, spend too much time or trying to be like, oh, this is just a fling for me. And in my head, I'm in that phase that what if this guy thinks this is just a fling, to jumping directly to I want to marry her. So then this is 31st December 2023. And I think we met again. We were together till 6th, 7th January. And then we met again
In Bangalore.
in Bangalore for
For a work,
Mercedes
yeah, workshop.
12th January. From the 12th till like the 25th, this guy was after my life with all his life force. He was like, let's tell our parents, let's tell our parents, let's tell our parents. And I'm like, listen, your parents are looking forward to you getting married. They've been searching for
So were
somebody.
yours.
But
My
not
parents had given up by then.
okay.
I was 34 plus by then. So yeah, my parents were like, I made everyone around me convinced that I'm not gonna get married at least before 40. Or I keep saying numbers, whatever I think in that moment. And her parents were looking for it. And then, as she said about the chul / clarity, since I waited long enough, I know, and I had signs and signals and clarity while having conversations, while spending time with you in this rawness.
that this is my person.
I know we all can be in a city and be like the person that we are carrying ourselves. As you said, the facade or the way we have built up ourselves. Because when you go and travel somewhere, you're not the same person.
Your
because,
masks come off.
right? And we spent a majority of our 90% of the time here,
Getting to know each other.
getting to know each other,
Here, yeah.
right? And I still remember the day our retreat ended.
And
we
this
were-
is, mind you, this is like 4 or 5 months before we started dating.
yeah, and since then I started getting signal. I'll not say signals, but like the clarity. If this person could be my partner, what an amazing life it can be. I remember while we were sitting in the cafe and you said, okay, let's do this. I was like, this, with this person, everything is doable,
Yeah.
right?
No,
It's
you
like-
gotta be more clear though. Let's do what? So, we had just finished our first retreat, and we were all super tired because in the excitement of first retreat, we were not sleeping
at
too
all,
much.
yeah.
We would all the team would sit together and talk all night and all of that. So on the last day when the participants left, we were all like tired and like lying around in the cafe like that. And suddenly I'm like, okay, guys, I got my notebook and paper.
I'll
and
tell
all
you guys, I'll be honest with you. We were sitting next to the table. She's lying down like this. And she just gets up like this. Okay, tell us, when do you want to have the next retreat?
And how much money you want to make and how many people you want to invite, what do you want to do? I'm like all in my drive, and I get the paper out and I'm like, okay, you got to do this, I got to do this.
I guess the
and,
ADHD kicked in. I was not aware of it by that time. But I was like this, wow,
and he's looking at me like,
with wide eyes open, and I'm like, oh, this kind of spirit, this kind of drive, this kind of innocence, everything.
innocence.
Yes, you are not
Yeah.
like greedy.
Yeah.
You're like innocent because the fulfillment that we got
Yeah.
was like fabulous. And then getting a chance to like do it again, because we never planned to do like multiple retreats.
Yeah, that was
Right?
just
It was only about doing it for the first time. And then you bringing back your drive and emotion and energy into it.
yeah.
What do we do next? When do we do next? And it was like, wow, matlab, this girl is crazy and I need to have her. And the same night we were like, At around
We were 4 of us team members, and 2 of them fell asleep around 2:30, and we were still chilling. We're like
chilling because it was too cold outside. Chilling that way.
yeah. And at that time we used to drink also, so we had some drinks in, and
Then we were chasing like
I was like, I gotta go to the washroom, and I have no winter clothes by then, right? And then this guy's like, okay, let me, you take my jacket, and he's being a gentleman. He gave me his jacket, and I took it. Like I didn't give it back until next day, and he's all cold in his kurta.
white kurta, guys. White kurta in nature, in jungle.
And then I'm like, I go to the washroom. He gets something warm to drink from the kitchen or popcorn. I don't remember something. And then we come back and we see that the other 2 teammates had fallen asleep already.
Yeah.
So it's just me and him. And I don't know, that same drive or the same madness in me that shows up sometimes.
Although I met Veronica that day.
I call it my alter ego. The mad lady within me is Veronica. She's like unhinged. She would not look at what time it is, where we are in the jungle. She'd just be herself.
Yeah, 3 gin inside and then Veronica appears. That's how it used to be. And a very different person. Even the, how do we say?
Tone, accent. Veronica's
Accent
accent
changes.
is very different also.
It just changes.
I can't do it sober.
Yeah, I'm glad I get to be with Ayushi and Veronica at the same time. Lucky me, guys. I know
No,
what
but
you are thinking.
Again, this is way before we even had any ideas that we'll
Yeah.
end up together. This is like just getting to know each other. We had
Yeah.
met like 5 days, all in total, right?
Yes, in totality, yes.
And so yeah, mind you, I'm wearing his jacket. It's freezing cold outside, and I end up seeing right in this tree. I end up seeing
Jugnus, fireflies.
fireflies, and I lose it. I'm like, oh my god, I haven't seen fireflies since childhood. I need that firefly. I need to catch it, like not to kill it.
Guys,
but
she was like getting into the jungle at around 2 a.m. to chase fireflies. And I'm telling you, this is a place which invite leopards because there are dogs around.
I'm like, no, I got leopards. It's okay. I need fireflies. So I'm heading towards the dark jungle, no lights, nothing. I'm like, fireflies, I need fireflies. And I'm just, and I'm like, oh, you're taller. You could get the fireflies. So 15 minutes, that's what I'm doing. And I'm sure he was
I had
scared.
to use all of my convincing and manipulative powers to distract her to now look at stars.
Oh, there were millions of stars that night.
So many satellites that night. that were
Satellites
moving.
also. Every 10 minutes, there were satellites moving. We could see very clearly.
We were lying down on the ground.
No. We weren't. We
We
were
were.
trying to chase the fireflies. And then he tried to distract me with the stars like I'm a kid. And I'm like, oh, you know what? What would be great if we lie down and watch the stars? And it's dewy grass. It's cold,
White
freezing.
kurta.
White kurtas. And I'm like, no. You got to lie down. You got to lie down next to me and we got to watch the stars. I don't know what. And he
See,
lay
men
down.
generally do this for women who they like
Or they love.
or they love. Yeah, that's the first step.
See, I think you've loved me from the day one you met me. He had a crush on me. That's why he just he was very obedient and he lay down. And for half an hour we were just looking at the stars. I was showing him different constellations.
Yeah.
And the satellites were going, and we were so. I think I was so drunk. I just couldn't get my head to believe that these are satellites. I kept calling them
Blobs.
blobs are moving. What are these blobs that are moving? And I'm googling what are these blobs that move in the sky.
Yeah, we might have counted around 50 blobs that night. It was, and I'm telling you, there was maybe underlying love, but not love as such.
I
It
would
was just
say
pure innocence
magic
and,
and
yeah,
spiritual magic. Like I think our souls have been together for multiple lifetimes. So that moment, that innocent moment, 4-5 months before we realized we like each other, when we just had mutual respect, that moment had to happen. What do you think? What were you saying?
yeah, this only. Very difficult to put it into feelings because it was so pure and so real that, as you said, the spiritual alignment was there,
Yeah.
and we were supposed to be together. There was no doubt about it, I guess.
Sometimes when they say there will be signs, those were the signs, I think. Because to be able to, you can do silly things. You can be drunk and do silly things anywhere. But to be able to do that with such innocence, where we had no agenda of being together or hooking up or anything like that, no agenda, just purely innocently having fun in the middle of the jungle, enjoying nature. Yeah. We live it back many times.
And we are here back again today
Yeah.
to spend few more days to relive those memories and to create new. And it has, whatever you hear us talking about it, with so much of love and innocence, if you hear us some days later, 6 months down this, we had gone through a lot of fights as well. It never came easy. Like, oh yeah, there's spiritual connection, you got to know each other, you spend great time in the wilderness, that's great, but it never came easy. It never came easy.
In multiple ways, like to be together, to be here with the blessings of our families, where they're happy. Like when we were driving down here yesterday, you mentioned that I am so glad we got married, because now we can do this. We don't have to hide this from anybody, or we don't have to fight with anybody to be together. Everyone's excited that we're here. And um, it took a lot. It took a lot.
We'll talk about it someday.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, part two. Let's do something fun in nature, and then we'll talk about what it took us to be together. It was spiritual alignment. It was divine guidance, but there's no fruit in divine guidance if you don't put in the effort and the
Yeah.
action.
Blood and sweat.
Yeah,
A lot of sweat, I'll
and
say.
tears. A lot of tears. I was going to
Yeah,
say.
sweat and tears.
My tears, your sweat.
Yeah. But I'm so glad. And if you are still here listening to us, I believe this is a sign that you need to have that love exists, right? Look for the signs, look for the alignment,
Believe in love.
believe in love,
It's out there for you.
and put in the work.
Yeah. He found it at 34. There's no right age or right timing, or it's too late, or my friends are married. Nothing like that.
Bullshit.
Yeah.
Trust
yeah.
me. Your voice has to be louder than anyone else's voice. Your belief have to be the strongest. Because if you know you deserve love, it will come to you. At the same time, you have to put in the work. There's
Love
no-
is possible.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll talk about it more.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love you.